person is a product of his own thoughts. Hello everyone, welcome back again. I'm Shweta Garg, your personal productivity expert. Now, people are filled with big dreams. We all have big dreams, but without goals or vision to make them a reality. Having a vision is very important because it comes down to one thing, that do you know where you want to go? And having clarity is also very important. You need to be very clear about your vision because it will drive everything else you do. Now, no matter how much you achieve, how much you have achieved till now, you have to keep on pushing yourself, keep on pushing your imagination. For example, you are a person who flies in economy class, right? And why not create a vision to fly first class? Get out of your comfort zone. And once you fly first class, then make that your reality. Work hard, keep up that work to make that your regular reality. You might have heard that believe in yourself, and if you believe strongly, then you can move mountains. But just by saying that mountains move away, do you think that will happen? It's impossible, because you cannot wish away mountain. Belief and wishful thinking are two different things. Don't confuse. So today I am going to share with you three ways to develop and strengthen the power of belief. First is, think success and don't think failure. For example, you face a difficult situation, then think that I will win. Don't think that I will not, I will lose. If you are competing with someone, then think that I am equal to the best. Don't think that I am outclassed. If you get an opportunity, then think that you can do it. Never think that you cannot. I cannot. Don't think that way, because I will succeed is a master thought, and let that master thought dominate your thinking process. Second is regular reminders. Remind yourself regularly that you are better than what you think you are. You are the best. See, understand, all these people who have succeeded, the successful people, they are not supermans. They are just ordinary people. But they have developed one thing, that is faith and belief in themselves and in what all they do, which is very important. And last, not the least, is believe big, because the size of your success is determined. It depends on the size of your belief. If you think little goals, you will achieve little because you will expect little. If you think big goals, your expectations are also big, you will achieve big, you will win big successes. So adjust your thermostat forward. You need to expand. Do not limit your vision. Do not create a wall in front of you. Expand your thoughts, expand your vision. You deserve a first class future, but it should reflect in your belief. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, do comment in the section below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.